Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best large 3D printers for your DIY projects. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. IDEX 3D Printer Climber 8A Full Metal DIY Kit. The IDEX 3D Printer Climber 8A offers independent dual extruders, dual X-axis, and a full metal frame for robust construction. With high precision and large size capabilities, it's suitable for a range of DIY projects. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Artillery Sidewinder X2 SW X2 3D Printer Kit. Artillery's Sidewinder X2 SW X2 features a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, auto bed leveling, and a TFT touchscreen interface. Its dual Z-axis ensures stability and high-precision printing. At number 3. QIDI Tech X Max 3 Large Size 3D Printer. QIDI Tech X Max 3 boasts fast speed printing, industrial Wi-Fi connectivity, and high precision. With a generous build volume of 325 by 325 by 325 mm, it accommodates various filament types including PLA and nylon. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. ZONESTAR Multicolor 4 Extruders 4in 1out FDM 3D Printer Kit. ZONESTAR introduces a multicolor 3D printing experience with 4 extruders and power loss recovery. Its large size and silent operation make it an appealing choice for creators. At number 1. Tronxy VEHO 600/X5SA Series FDM 3D Printer Kit. Tronxy VEHO 600/X5SA offers high precision and large size printing capabilities, ideal for DIY enthusiasts. The upgraded VEHO 600 Gemini XS version enhances performance and user experience,